So, fixing a Hemingway cruiser. We got a power cord. Power cord is melted. I'll show you. I didn't start recording until I already cut the cables. So, I was having a hard time getting the connector apart. Just now, like 2 seconds ago. It was on there. I tried and tried. Wait, it goes this way. Tried and tried and tried to get this thing apart. You can see where it was melted. It melted. I guess they all melted together. So I cut the cable. I'm hoping there's exactly the same amount of wires in this as they are in this, because I can't get this apart. It's melted together. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to jump some wires from here to here. Hopefully go color coding. That's what I'm hoping to do. We'll see. Take a knife, gently come back 2 or 3 inches. You don't have to tape it up anyway. Gently cut down in there. You don't want to cut into the other wires. I mean, you can fix that too, but the less you got to fix, the better, right? So here's what we got. We got 3-phase power wires, blue, yellow, and green. The other side's the same, blue, yellow, and green. Then we got white, green, red, black, yellow, and blue. Same over here, white, green, red, black, yellow, and blue. All the got little wires, big wires. All I'm going to do is just jump these two together, because I don't have time to wait on a new power cord, and I definitely don't know how to solder. I don't know anything about soldering, so luckily, you know, it's hard to find tiny wires like that, but you don't have to use the same kind of wire, as long as it's similar, as long as it's not any smaller, for sure. So we're going to come over here. I got this junker bicycle. We're going to get some of these little wires here, these tiny wires, and use some of them for my jumps. Got my wire stockpile. I actually got 4 wires in this one. I'll use that. I got 2 wires in this sleeve. I'll use that. And then I'll cut 3 wires off for the other ones and be good to go. Now, as far as trimming the wires and you know, that's a process. So I'm not going to videotape that because I can't do it while I'm holding the camera anyway. So, be right back. So, what I did, I had some old shrink wraps that I had from previous projects. I just cut each wire out individually and rewired it. I found some thicker wire for the 3-phase wires. It's probably not, I wish it was a little thicker. And then just, yeah, there was 6 other wires on each end, wired them together. And that's it. That's all you got to do. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to tape it up. And I'm going to zip tie it up here. And hopefully it works. So I got the battery on. Reach over here and see what it looks like. Still error 30. It's not good. Well, I bet you it fried my controller. because this should have worked. This is all, it's all done right. It's all done right. Well, guess I have to buy a controller, because that's the only thing else it could be. So, anyway, we kind of saw how to put it back together, but it's not going to work. So, part 2 will be ordering a controller and putting a new controller on it. And I might order a new motor too, I don't know. See ya.